Hey there, businesses, rock stars. Did you know that 46% of all Google searches are for local businesses? But here's the kicker, most businesses are invisible on page 1. What if I told you you could outrank 99% of them and dominate your local market? Stick around and find out, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the ultimate strategy to crush your local SEO game. Let's go! Alright, so first things first, let's get real. If your business isn't on page 1 of Google, you're practically invisible to the world. But don't worry, we are going to fix that right now. I'm breaking this to 5 actionable steps to help your business become the local superstar on Google. Ready? Let's dive in. Now, let's get to the step 1. Claim and supercharge your Google business profile. This is your golden ticket to local SEO. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, and your reviews, business name especially, are consistent everywhere online. Do not forget to do it. Add high quality photos. Write a compelling business description. With the business descriptions, also keep doing regular updates. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Use keywords in your profile descriptions like best pizza in your city or affordable roofing services near me. Google loves it, and so will your customers. Number 2, master your local keywords. Mastering your local keywords is very important for your Google business listing. Even when you're doing the posts, add some keywords over there. Keep tagging your keywords over there. Now, become a keyword wizard. Focus on hyperlocal keywords like best yoga studio in Austin or plumber near downtown in Miami. These are the magic words your customers are searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest or some other tools. These keywords and tools are goldmine for you. Pro tip, target long tail keywords for less competition and higher conversions. Targeting long tail keywords in the beginning is very important for early rankings and good traffic. Next one, get the reviews. Let's talk about that. Step 3 is a game changer. Get those reviews rolling in. Reviews don't just build trust, they boost your ranking. Ask your happy customers for reviews and make it easy for them with a direct link to your Google business profile. And don't forget to reply to every review. Yes, even the bad ones. Show that you care. And watch the magic happen. Do not take fake reviews. Always remember that. Step 4, build local backlinks. Network. Baby, get local websites, blogs, and directories to link to your site. These are called backlinks. And they are like votes of confidence for the internet. Join local chambers of commerce, sponsor events, or collaborate with other businesses in your areas. The more quality links you have, the higher you'll climb on Google. Next step, mobile and speed optimization. Optimizing your websites are very important for mobiles because most of the people are on the mobile phones. Your website should be optimized for that. Now, this is step number 5. Speed and mobile friendliness are not negotiable. Most local searches happen on mobile devices. If your site isn't mobile optimized or takes forever to load, customers will bounce faster than you can say. 404 errors. Use tools like GTmetrix or Google Insight page speeds. Use these tools to check your site speed and fix those issues. Now, follow these 5 steps and I promise you'll see results that will blow your competition out of the water. But hey, this is just the beginning. I've got even more local search secrets waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Let me know what's your biggest local SEO challenge and I will be happy to help you out. And remember, the top spot on Google isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Let's make it happen. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.